Okay, so I finally decided to use this giant pot. I'm gonna put my forsythia in it. There's a hummingbird right next to me. Yeah. Damn it, I don't know if I got it. It was like flying right over my head like it was gonna drink my brain. Anyway, I filled this up with old dirt and some soil enricher, and now I'm gonna mix it. Okay, now I'm gonna water it in, and then get a little bit more good dirt, and then I'm gonna add some fertilizer. The water. Alright, now we're going to water it in. So this is this. It actually blooms before it leaves. Leaves? Leaves? I don't know. But anyway, it's supposed to get 6 feet by 6 feet, but in this pot, I mean, probably not. But yeah, so it doesn't bloom till spring. And I think all the leaves fall off in the winter. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode. Me, the Inconsistent Gardener, and I'll see you next time.